Attention all Bermuda! The new Reform Production presents its annual Big Sounds of Spring Party, Saturday, May 3rd at the Spinning Wheel Entertainment Complex. This is a double headliner on two separate floors. So on the ground level, it's the old school R&B hip-hop house party featuring Bermuda's own DJ Casper and the Iceman. And Bermuda, backed by popular demand, straight out of Philly, it's the world's #1 blind DJ, DJ Touchtone.
Hey, what's happening? It's DJ Touchtone, the world's #1 blind DJ. May 3rd is on. I'ma turn it out. Spinning Wheel Entertainment Complex in Bermuda. I see you there.
On the upper level, it's the old school reggae dancehall soca party featuring Bermuda's own DJ Magnum Force and DJ Ready Gun. And Bermuda, straight out of Trinidad and Tobago, formerly of King Edis, it's DJ Babyface. This is the Big People's Party, 30 years and over. Come out to a night to remember and come right, cause security will be tight. Valid proper ID is required. Doors open up at 9:30 and admission is only $20 for advance tickets, $25 at the door before midnight and more after midnight. One admission gets you into both parties. Advance tickets are available at Jazzy's Boutique, Casey's Cocktail Lounge, and The Spinning Wheel. It's all sponsored by Carlsberg, Johnny Walker, Bacardi, Heineken, Smirnoff, Island Construction Limited, The Money Shop, Sports Source, Irie 98.3 FM, and please support the True Stick Foundation.